This recipe is 100% effective, and you will have long eyelashes and thick eyebrows in just 3 days. This is my personal daily night routine regime I am sharing with my beautiful fam. First, you'll need flax seeds. Place 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in a saucepan and add 1 cup of water. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Next, strain the flax seeds into another pot. You can use muslin cloth or a strainer to extract all the gel. Flaxseed stimulates the growth of eyelashes and eyebrows. Divide the flaxseed gel into 2 parts to the first container. Add a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel strengthens eyebrow and eyelash hair mix. Well, and add a teaspoon of castor oil. Castor oil strengthens eyebrow and eyelash hair mix. Well, and add 13 to 15 drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil promotes rapid growth of eyelashes and eyebrows. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. Transfer the mixture to an airtight container. You can store it in the refrigerator for a long time. Use a mascara brush or a cotton swab to apply the mixture. Apply this mixture to your eyebrows and eyelashes before bedtime. Leave it on overnight, and when you wake up, clean your eyebrows and eyelashes with a tissue. Save video to favorites and comment, "Yes, I will use it."